Good morning, students. Today I will continue the running chapter Tangent and Normal. This is our fourth lecture. First we proceed. We recap some important results of this chapter. Here, this is the curve y equal to fx and p x1 y1 is a point on the curve. This is the tangent pt at the point p to the curve, and this is pn normal. Inclination of this pt is theta with x-axis. Then slope of pt equal to tan theta. Using derivative dy by dx at point p x1 y1, that is value of derivative at the point p, this is equivalent to slope of tangent at p x1 y1 to the curve y equal to fx, which is identical to tan theta. Next, equation of tangent at p x1 y1, equation of line passing through point x1 y1 and having slope this y minus y1 m into x minus x1, that is dy by dx at p x1 y1. Slope of tangent is m, slope of normal is its negative reciprocal minus 1 by m. So y minus y1 minus 1 upon dy by dx p x1 y1 x minus x1. This is some main points of this chapter. Today we will proceed a new concept of this chapter, angle of intersection. Angle of intersection of two curves. Angle of intersection of two curves. Let y equal to fx and y equal to gx. We have given two curves. This is y equal to fx, this is y equal to gx, and its point of intersection is P, coordinate x1 y1. Here tangent to the first curve pt1 and tangent to the second curve pt2. Here pt1 tangent at the point p x1 y1 and pt2 tangent at the point p x1 y1 to the second curve y equal to gx. Here p x1 y1 common to both curve. Here we define angle of intersection of two curves equal angle between tangents to the two given curve at their point of intersection. Assuming inclination of this tangent with x-axis alpha inclination of this tangent beta, and angle between two tangents, this is the angle of intersection of two curves. Assuming it theta, then other angle will be pi minus theta, let it be gamma. From the figure, sum of two angle theta plus beta equal to external angle alpha. Theta plus beta equal to alpha. This implies theta equal to alpha minus beta. Taking tan both this side, tan theta, tan of alpha minus beta equal to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Here inclination is alpha, slope assuming it f1 tan alpha, here inclination is beta assuming m2 tan beta, this is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Here differentiation of second curve dg dx at p x1 y1, this is m1, and m2 equal to df by dx dy by dx for this curve at p x1 y1, this is m2. So m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, therefore theta equal to tan inverse m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Therefore other angle, here other angle is pi minus theta assuming gamma, other angle gamma equal to pi minus theta, therefore tan gamma, tan of pi minus theta, that is minus tan theta, minus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So gamma equal to tan inverse of minus, gamma equal to tan inverse minus of this, tan inverse minus x equal to minus tan inverse x. So other angle equal to minus tan inverse m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Generally, or in case of acute angle, we take their modulus tan theta modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Generally, if angle between two curves is required, then we take a smaller of theta and pi minus theta, that is acute angle, angle between or angle of intersection of two curves equal a smaller of theta and pi minus theta. Generally, angle of intersection we take acute angle between the tangents. Here a new term, orthogonal curves if theta equal to pi by 2, this theta angle between two tangents at point of intersection of two curve is pi by 2, theta equal to pi by 2. So tan pi by 2 infinity equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Ratio equal to infinite, this implies denominator equal to 0, m1 m2 plus 1 equal to 0 minus 1. This is the condition of orthogonal curves. Or orthogonal curves means if two curves intersect each other at right angle, then curves are said to be orthogonal. Orthogonal curves, that is two curves at a right angle, then curves are said to be orthogonal. Next, condition that the two curves touch. Obviously, theta equal to 0, this implies m1 equal to m2. This is the two curve and this is the common tangent point of intersection P. Two curves, when theta equal to 0, this ratio will be 0. This implies numerator m1 minus m2 equal to 0, m1 equal to m2. So if two curves touch each other, then condition will be their slopes will be equal. This is the curve y equal to fx, this is the curve y equal to gx, touch each other at point P, and this is the common tangent PT. Now we take a question based on angle of intersection of two curves. Find the angle of intersection of curves y equal to x square and y equal to 4 minus x square. Here angle of intersection of two curves y equal to fx and y equal to gx. First of all, we find point of intersection of these two curves. For this, solve for point of intersection. For this, we take fx equal to gx. Second step, we differentiate first function with respect to x at point of intersection, assuming it m1. Again differentiate second function with respect to x and find its value at point of intersection, assuming it m2. And thirdly, if angle between tangents is theta, then tan theta m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. If curves intersect each other at more than one points, then we find point of intersection, and for each point we find angle between them. For each point we find angle of intersection like this. Here, given curve y equal to x square and y equal to 4 minus x square. First of all, for the point of intersection, we solve these two. Solving, clearly x square equal to 4 minus x square, 2x square equal to 4 and x square equal to 2 therefore x equal to plus minus root 2. Here x square equal to 2, putting the value of x square in first equation or second equation, we get y equal to 2. So our point of intersection is plus minus root 2, 2. Here both curves are symmetric about y-axis. If we replace x by minus x, equation of curve remains same. In this case again equation of curve remains same. Then both curves are symmetric about y-axis. So angle as both curves are symmetric about y-axis, so angle at point root 2 2 equal to angle at point minus root 2 2. So for the any1, first we differentiate first curve and putting the coordinate of point of intersection. Here dy by dx at p, here dy by dx 2x, at p root 2 2, 2x, here x equal to root 2, so this is 2 root 2, assuming it m1. Differentiating this equation, dy by dx equal to 0 minus 2x at the same point root 2 2, 0 minus 2x, here x is again root 2, so minus 2 root 2, assuming it m2. Therefore angle between two tangent, here slope of first tangent, just slope of tangent corresponding to first curve, slope of tangent at p corresponding to second curve. If angle between tangent is theta, so tan theta modulus of acute angle m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2 equal to 2 root 2 minus of minus 2 root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 root 2 into minus 2 root 2. 4 root 2 upon 1 minus 8 minus 7 mod, this is 4 root 2 by 7. Therefore our required angle of intersection is theta equal to tan inverse 4 root 2 upon 7. This is our required answer. If we find, if curves, both curves are not symmetric, then we find at each point. If we find here point minus root 2 2, we get the same angle tan inverse 4 root 2 by 7. Here we see this question graphically. Here y equal to x square, y equal to 4 minus x square. This is the curve y equal to x square. This is y equal to x square. Transformation of graph fx2 minus fx. Take image in y axis. Here y equal to x square. here y equal to fx equal to x square. If we replace y by minus y, this is minus y equal to x square. So x square equal y equal to minus x square. We just rotate it through 180 degree about, take image in x axis. Take image in x axis. Here this is the curve y equal to x square. If we want y equal to minus x square, just rotate this graph about x axis through 180 degree, that is this is 90 degree, again 90 degree, that is this is our y equal to minus x square. Next, fx to fx plus k, shift k unit vertically, fx minus k, shift k unit vertically downward, vertically upward. So here y equal to minus x square, we have to y equal to minus x square plus 4. This curve will be shifted to 1, 2, 3, 4 unit, and this curve will be here. Finally, this is our y equal to x square, and this is y equal to 4 minus x square, y axis, x axis clearly. This is the point root 2 2, and this is the point minus root 2 2. Clearly angle between tangent here and this point, angle between, clearly both angle between will be same. So we find either at this point or this point. Okay. Next question is find angle of intersection of curve y square equal to 2x x square equal to 6 and y. Like first question, first we solve these two for their point of intersection. Solving equations. Squaring the first equation, y4 equal to 4x square, 4 into here x square equal to 16y, 64y. Shifting, transposing this in LHS and taking out common y, yq minus 64 equal to 0, y equal to 0 and yq equal to 64. This implies y equal to 4. Therefore y equal to 0, corresponding to the y equal to 0 we have x equal to 0 and point is 0 0. When y equal to 4, x square equal to 64, this implies x equal to plus minus 8. Here we take care, x equal to plus minus 8. We know y square equal to 2x. Equation of parabola, LHS is a square, so x cannot be negative. But x cannot less than 0, therefore x equal to 8 and corresponding point will be 8 4. Differentiating first curve, differentiative curves for slopes. Here 2I dy by dx equal to 2, so dy by dx equal to 1 upon y. dy by dx, and second curve 2x equal to 16 dy by dx, so dy by dx equal x upon 8. dy by dx at 0 0, that is 1 by 0, this is equal to infinity. This implies tangent is perpendicular to x axis or parallel to y axis. For the second curve dy by dx at 0 0, x upon 8, x upon 8, that is 0 upon 8 equal to 0. Here slope is 0. This implies tangent is x axis or parallel to x axis. This is the situation of tangent. Clearly, at origin theta equal to pi by 2, that is both curve intersect each other orthogonally. Similarly, at point 84 m1, 84 dy by dx at 84, here y equal to 4, so 1 by dy by dx at point 84, that is 1 by 4, and m2 dy by dx at 84 equal dy by dx at point 84, here x equal to 8, 8 by 8 equal to 1. So acute angle tan theta m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 4, this is 3 by 5. Therefore theta equal to tan inverse 3 by 5. If we see the two function graphically, here y square equal to 2x. This is the graph of y square equal to 2x and x square equal to 16y. This is x square equal to 16y. Clearly, point of intersection at 0 0 origin and second point 84. At this point, two curves are orthogonal because one tangent is this and second tangent is this. Here dy by dx at 0 0, tangent is parallel to perpendicular to x axis. dy by dx at 0 0, that is 0, slope is 0. In such case, tangent will be either parallel to x axis or x axis. Since point of contact is 0 0, so tangent is at x axis, not parallel to x axis. Clearly, one tangent this and other tangent is y axis, and angle between them is clearly pi by 2. These two curves intersect each other orthogonally at 0 0. Objective question may be at which point these two curves are orthogonal, and option will be 0 0 8 4 minus 8 4 D, none of these. Clearly we directly do using graph of this function. The next one is find the acute angle between the curves y equal to modulus of x square minus 1 and second curve y equal to modulus of x square minus 3 at their point of intersection. Y equal x square minus 1 mod. First, y equal x square minus 3 mod. Two given curves for the point of intersection. Solving for the point of intersection. X square minus 1 mod equal x square minus 3 mod. Since modulus of x square mod x whole square and x square both are equivalent, so squaring both the sides x square minus 1 whole square x square minus 3 whole square, x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2 x square, x to the power 4 plus 9 minus 6 x square, x to the power 4 plus 9 minus 6 x square. Cancel these two, transposing this term in LHS and 1 to RHS. 6x square minus 2x square 4x square, 9 minus 1 8, x square equal to 2. Using in any one, x square equal to 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1 mod, that is y equal to 1, x square equal to 2, x equal to plus minus root 2, y equal to 1. So points are plus minus root 2 and 1. Again, these two curves are symmetric about y-axis. So, point of intersection curves are symmetric about y-axis. Therefore, angle at point root 2 1 will be equal to angle at minus root 2 1. So, we find angle of intersection at root 2 1. Next, we have to find slope of tangent at this point, derivative dy by dx at root 2 1. For this, first we remove modulus. Here first curve is y equal to modulus of x square minus 1. Here sign scheme for expression x square minus 1, corresponding root is plus minus 1, minus 1 plus 1. We know sign scheme of quadratic expression. In this part, x square minus 1, sine of x square minus 1 positive, in this part positive and this part negative. clearly root 2 will be in this region. In this entire region x square minus 1 is positive. So in the neighborhood of root 2 x square minus 1 is positive. We write here x square minus 1 as x square minus 1 greater than 0 in neighborhood of x equal to root 2. Therefore dy by dx at point root 2 1, here derivative 2x, the 2 into x, here x is root 2, so 2 root 2, say it m1. The second curve is x square minus 3 mod. Again sign scheme for expression x square minus 3. Corresponding root x square minus 3 equal to 0, x equal to plus minus root 3. This is minus root 3, this is root 3. Here coefficient of x square is positive, so in this region positive, and in this region negative. Here root 2 lies in this region, and this entire point between minus root 3 to root 3 x square minus 3 is negative. So in the neighborhood of root 2 this expression is negative. After removing modulus, we write x square minus 3 with negative sign, which is 3 minus x square. Here region is x square minus 3 less than 0 in the neighborhood of x equal to root 2. Differentiating dy by dx equal to minus 2x at point root 2 1, root 2 1, clearly x equal to root 2 here, minus 2 root 2. Therefore angle between them tan theta, assuming it m2 m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, 2 root 2 minus of minus 2 root 2 divided by 1 plus 2 root 2 into minus 2 root 2 mod, 4 root 2 upon 1 minus 8 minus 7, this is 4 root 2 by 7. Therefore theta equal to tan inverse 4 root 2 upon 7. We see the question graphically. Here modulus of x square minus 1. First we take function x square shifted to x square minus 1 and then modulus of x square minus 1. Similarly x square shifted to x square minus 3 and then modulus of x square minus 3. Here this is the y equal to x square. We shift this graph through one unit vertically here. Now this is y equal to x square minus 1 and crosses the x axis at 1 0 and minus 1 0. Next y equal to x square, shifting this graph through 3 units vertically downward. This point here 0 minus 1 and this is 0 minus 3. Solving this, keeping y equal to 0, this will give x equal to plus minus root 3. This is minus root 3 0 and this is root 3 0. Sorry, root 3 0 and minus root 3 0. Now we have to shift x square to x square minus 1. We know fx to modulus of fx. Portion of curve above x axis remains same and we remove the portion of curve below x axis but take its image in x axis. Here we keep this portion as usual. This portion as usual remains the same. We delete the portion below x axis but take its image in x axis. Obviously 0 minus 1, this is 0 1. So this is the graph finally y equal to x square minus 1 mod. Similarly, we keep intact this portion, delete this portion but take image of this deleted portion of graph about x axis clearly. This will be the graph of y equal to x square minus 3. Keeping these two together, minus 1 0 1 0, this is 0 1, y equal to x square minus 1 mod. Second, y equal to x square minus 3 mod. This is the point of intersection. Clearly root 3 0 minus root 3 0, these two curves intersect each other at these 2 points. Clearly tangents are here, point P root 2 1 and angle, this is the angle theta. Here this tangent, angle theta. Clearly in both case angle will be the same and here clearly the graph is symmetric about if we turn this portion of graph about y axis, this overlap this portion. Clearly the graph is symmetric about y axis. So we take only root 2 1, either root 2 1 or minus root 2 1. In both case the answer will be same. That's it.